Hello and welcome to Miller Motorcars. My name is James Puglisi, and today I'll be taking you inside and on the road with the Ferrari Roma. So the first thing you're going to notice when you sit in the Ferrari Roma is how comfortable this thing is. I mean comfortable. This is exactly what you'd want for a GT sports car that's meant to be driven on a more daily basis. So having the full electric seat option gives you so many more ways you can contour the seat. Through the central touchscreen here, I can control my lumbar, the side bolsters, and also the thigh extension. So I can really contour the seat perfectly for me. Now my passenger, they can also control their seats with the central screen as well, but if it's optioned with the passenger display, they have all of those options right there in front of them with that screen. So they can do all the things I can do, but they can do it with their own screen, not affecting the way I drive. So now moving over to the wheel, it is the same kind of concept, but now everything has gone digital. I mean everything, it's fantastic. So with the Manettino, they kept the knob, so it still kind of keeps you engaged in picking your drive mode for your best setting. The bumpy road mode is actually switched to the Manettino as well, so you just click the button in, and that would engage your bumpy road for the suspension dampener. Going to this the display, I mean this display is amazing. It's crisp, it's clear, and it's fully digital. So I have the option to control the tag. Now we don't have to pick a certain color. Now you can actually go through, change it from red to black to yellow to aluminum, which is pretty cool. We have a max view here as well. So the max view is going to show us the full navigation right there in front of your face. Now this is a European car, so we would have to use our imagination for this part, but the screen here would be displaying the maps of the United States, showing you exactly where you are. It's really cool. Tap the button again, it's now going to switch over to the tach. So right in front of you, you can see exactly which RPM you're at. It's a pretty cool feature. So with the central display here, again, everything is very streamlined and sleek. Touchscreen, you can control everything from your climate, your navigation, the phone settings, and your audio. Swiping up to control your temperature gauge, as well as the seat options and the fan speed. Very, very clean, very intuitive, very simple to use. Now in the center here, you're going to notice this is where you're going to control how you're driving the car. If you want an automatic, manual, and then your reverse, of course. And just with a click of a button down, I can now put the car into manual mode, where I can have full control of the gears. Click it back up, go back into automatic, and I can just cruise. The L is for your launch control, and the R is, of course, for reverse. Reminiscent here of a gated gearbox, which kind of takes you back in time and a little nostalgic, to say the least. Now let's talk about the performance for a second. I mean, this thing is fast. I mean, this is a really, really quick car. It has a new 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. It shifts so smooth, so crisp. It is absolutely incredible. 611 horsepower in a small vehicle that's 3,500 pounds or less. I mean, this car performs. The scroll bar on the wheel really makes it as if you're using a normal smartphone. It's very, it's what people are used to nowadays. Scrolling through, tapping on the screen. It's just so intuitive. This vehicle here is equipped with the full ADAS package, so that gives us the blind spot monitoring, the predictive braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure, and all of the safety features you want in more of a daily GT car. Ferrari now offers all of that. I gotta say, this car is so much fun to drive. I hope you enjoyed taking a closer look inside the Ferrari Roma. For more information on this vehicle or any other Ferrari model that we do offer, please feel free to visit us at the store at 342 West Putnam Avenue in Greenwich, Connecticut, or feel free to call us at 203-629-3890. Again, my name is James Puglisi, and see you soon.